Hello, everyone. So I'm back with another Tronark video. This is just to show a withdrawal. Just to give you a recap on this program, Tronark has an audited contract. You can earn up to 300% of your investment. It has up to a 7.5% ROI. And one thing that I like to do, if not every day, every other day, is just to go to view the contract to see how things are progressing there. Right now, Tronark has a little over 13.6 million in TRX, and that translates into 764,000 or so US dollars. They've had over 7,400 transactions, and everything looks to be kosher. Let's just check the transactions just to see if things have been successful and not a lot of fails. So there's a couple of fails, and that could be due to not having enough TRX in the wallet, but everything looks pretty solid from here. So let's go ahead and do our withdrawal. And if you were with us yesterday, you'll note that I said that the strategy on this contract is to build a payout to meet at least the investment amount and then start doing 50-50. That means 50, after you do the 100% withdrawal, you do a 50% reinvestment. So that's the plan for now. We'll see you tomorrow, and happy investing, safe investing. Remember to only invest what you can afford to lose, and we'll see you tomorrow on this one.